Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word croupier. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The croupier carefully shuffles the deck of cards before dealing them out to the players. A croupier is a person in a casino who is responsible for handling and distributing cards, chips, and other gaming equipment during gambling activities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.